Hey guys, I have a new bird. Oof. And her name is Remy. That's she's so small. Hi, Remy. Oh god! Where are you going? Okay, I'm gonna prepare your bath. You gotta like have a little bit of water, not full blast. That's much. Okay, Remy, ready for your bath? Oh crap! I forgot to. I don't want Remy to fly in that. Remy's still up there. I gotta go get her. No, no. Okay, good bird. Okay. There she is. Enjoying that water, I think. Let me just splash. No! No! No. Really? No! Oof, I have to spin around because she turned. Oh boy, this is gonna take forever. Really? Oof. Look at that pretty bird. Look at her! Okay, I'm gonna shrink. Why? You need to take a bath! It feels like I'm dating animation, but I don't know. With a budgie and a male. Ooh. No. Seriously? Oh boy, this is gonna be taking a while. Finally! I got you. Okay, Remy. Even though she left this thing on me. Anyway. Really? Really? Okay, fine, I'll turn it off. You took a bath for at least a second! I gotcha! No! Really? That's your best place to land? Well, I'll just put you right here for now. Look at that cute Burby. Look at that cute Burby. Oh, you want to see, let me see my, you want to see my face? After. Look at her. Look at her. I'm actually a boy. Oof. Look at the bird. Look at the bird. Okay. You want to see her cage? Okay, let me just grab her. Eh. Okay. There's Kiwi and Mango. And Remy has joined the family. No, I have 3 budgies. You want to see my other pets too? Okay. Rocket? Where are you, buddy? Oh yeah, I forgot. My sister took him out. And here's Nico. this cutesy little cat. She likes to sleep on my bed and snuggle with me at night. And here's a Gizmo. Oh, I need light. Well, I don't know how to turn on that light, so I'll do that after. Anyway, this is my video. It's just randomness. And fact, it's all snow! Because I live in Canada, that's why. Okay, thanks for watching anyway. Bye. Oof.